The new baby is like beginning of all the things, hope, wonder, and the dream of possibilities. Hello and welcome to the video where I'll be sharing postpartum care for a mother and for a child. So we always think that after delivery process, after the delivery has done, everything is settled now. But no, this is the beginning where child is out now and child is ready to live their own life as a single individual, right? So here are some 10 hacks for the mothers who had delivered their baby and should take care of their health and their baby's health as well. So in this 10 hacks, I'll be telling all the things, I'll be covering all the things where the mother should take care of all these factors and stay healthy for a long time. If you take care properly after the delivery process, your health will be well possible healthy in all terms. Okay, so after delivery process, the hormonal changes are huge. The changes in uterus say, and the hormonal imbalance is a bit disturbed. So always take care that after your delivery process, the mother who had delivered their child, because she has carried a child for 9 months, a third party is being carried by a mother, right? Actually a baby is acting like a third party, because when she gets pregnant, she goes through many health changes, nausea, vomiting, and other things. So when you are carrying a baby for a 9 month, your organ, your uterus uh, is working 24 by 7, and that's the reason that you are now tired, because all the hormonal imbalances, all the changes are been there in a huge amount in your body. So when the mother delivers a child, there are some factors where you have to be very strict about these factors. Okay, and some are the factors where you need to take all the prevention so that you will not go in the health issues after say 1 year or say 2 years. Okay, so these are some of the pointers where I will be telling you. The first one is, during your pregnancy, this pelvic bone position changes. Okay, that is called as pelvic symphysis. uh, if you're carrying your baby for 9 months, your pelvic bones get departed, and after delivery, this departed bones will try to come in its natural position, right? So that's why you may have huge pain in your lower abdomen, or say while sitting also you may experience a pain. So that is because the pubic symphysis happens. And here I would like to say, if you have delivered your child by a normal delivery, the coccyx is a tailbone where it may get hurt during normal delivery, and that may cause a huge pain also. So these two factors are very important. You have to take care of your pubic symphysis by doing lot of pelvic floor exercises, tone your pelvic floor muscles. For example, you may do kegels. Okay, so you can start your kegel exercises after 45 days. So 45 days strictly is called as the postpartum period, where you have to take care of yourself and your baby's immunity for strictly for 45 days. And after that, you can do your exercises, your movement should be free, and more of that. Okay, so if you want to start your exercises, kegel exercises and other movements of regarded to exercises, you have to start it by after 25 days. Okay, yes. And the second one is, your 45 days postpartum regime should be very much strict. In Maharashtra, or say there are certain culture where after the delivery of a baby, the mother and the baby is allowed to have a very strict curriculum or a schedule. Okay, so the mother should be very much alert about how she is going through. There are many factors which can come under, and wherever you feel that yes, this is abnormal, you should immediately reach doctor. Any condition regarding your baby or any condition regarding you, like heavy bleeding or such conditions where you find that this is bit abnormal, do not wait at home and just go and show your doctor, just visit your doctor. Okay, 45 days postpartum care is called as Sutika Paricharya in Ayurveda. This is the best paricharya or say scheduling of a mother for 45 days where she goes through a process of massages, of various heat, or say it is called as Shek Shegdi in Marathi. So in Ayurveda granthas, it is compulsorily given to the mothers who had delivered their child, so that their body will be getting intact and healed more easily and fastly. Okay, so for that, massage of a body, or say shake, that is called a steam to a body, making your body cozy is very much necessary. And that's the strict procedure where mother is allowed to eat a particular amount of food also changes in this 45 days. And if this care is taken for 45 days, that is a Sutika Paricharya care is taken properly, the mothers will be intact, will be very good with their health, will be very good with their mindset also. Okay, so don't forget to do this 45 days regime very strictly. Okay, yes, the third one is hemorrhoids. When you carry a baby, you may go through heartburns, you may go through constipation kind of things, or gases, or say abdominal pain because of gases and all things. So the digestion is not well during pregnancy, and it may cause hemorrhoids after delivery. Or say the women who deliver their baby normally, they may also have get this hemorrhoids, which are very painful after delivery. So make sure that your digestion during your pregnancy period is very nice. And after delivery also, there are certain things which you have to consume during your 5 days. Okay, after the delivery, you 5 days you need to consume that thing, so that your stool doesn't become harder and you don't go through the constipation, and then you will not have hemorrhoids kind of things. Okay, so this is very important again, because after getting deceased or after getting a problem, solving that problem is a bit tougher. But if you follow your pregnancy care regime very nicely, very strictly, and with expert hands, so this journey would be easier for you. And if this journey is easier later on after delivery process also, it becomes more easier. Otherwise you would not be knowing what things you have to do. Okay, fourth, I would say postpartum depression. I have observed that after pregnancy, this is not a disease, but this is like you can feel blue after the birth of a baby. So this is usually caused because of the change in the hormone, or not getting enough sleep by a mother, or feeling very busy with the baby, and just worried about how to take care of the baby and all other things. So this can cause a postpartum depression to a mother. And this can be solved uh, by being honest by yourself. Be honest with yourself, and find out where you are having a issue, or what thought process is going on through every process. Okay, so when there is a lack of knowledge, I mean, if you do not know how to solve the problems, you may get confused, and that may cause postpartum depression, where you always think that, am I doing right things, am I not hurting my baby, and everything is going right. So in this case, you must ask your friend, your family who had gone through this process, right? You should take advices from the people who had already gone through this process. Or any kind of health issues comes, you can just visit your doctor, eat nutritional diets, have a good amount of mental exercises, do a proper guided meditation and other things, so that your mind stays calm and quiet, so that you'll not go through this postpartum depression. Because this is the time when you feel very different with regards to the hormonal imbalance and other things, because most of the concentration is being on the baby, so you feel un no unrecognized or unnoticed, I can say that is the correct word. So maybe, but not being noticed or other things, but yes, you may feel lonely because of this, and there are lot many things to do with the babies and other all this schedule get too busier for you. So make sure you are taking a proper sunlight, you are roaming at a home properly, and this will make yourself busier, right? Not with the baby but other things. Do not feel fatigue oftenly, have a good amount and a nutritional food. Okay, yes, the next one is sleep. Yes, you have to take care of your sleep. Most of the time I have seen the mothers, when the baby sleeps, the mother talk with people and talk with their friends and families. But mothers, when the baby is sleeping and when baby will be, when baby will get up, you need to feed baby, you need to take care of your baby. So when the baby is sleeping, you also take a nap. And 45 days you have to take proper sleep, proper rest for your body, because your body has gone through many changes. Okay, this delivery process is a big change. If you have gone through the cesarean section, there is a big change. If you have gone through the normal section also, normal delivery also, there is a big change. The big change always happen with the 9 month you are carrying your baby. So make sure you are taking a proper amount of sleep and rest and pampering your body in a very nice way. Okay, sixth one is discomfort with the stitches. If you have gone through any say cesarean section, you will have stitch on upper side. If you have gone through episiotomy, that is normal delivery, you will have stitch in your genital areas. Okay, so if you take a proper care of these stitches, this will not cause any kind of problem. So there is a proper diet where you have to go through this proper diet. For that's why there is a regime called as 45 days regime of a sutika paricharya, where you have to eat the food that will cure or that will heal all your stitches very fastly. Okay, again, shake, that is steam of certain medicines is suggested in Ayurveda, that steam of certain medicines, they have to be there, and the steam will come of that medicines, and you have to take it on the stitches will be healed within a very short time. You do not have to apply anything on stitches. Okay, you have to take a very good healthy care of the stitches, right? So do not apply anything, but yes, steam is very good for healing the stitches. The next one is breast engorgement. Many women who are good with their health, and if you have taken proper care during your pregnancy care, you will get lot of breast milk for your baby, right? This is a very nice sign that your baby will be good with the good amount of milk. Okay, but during 2 months, during the starting of this 2 months, your breast may feel engorged because baby is small, a tummy is small, baby will need only a little amount of milk. So how to breastfeed your baby is another topic. I'll be covering it in another video, but for this video I will be telling you that breast engorgement is oftenly happening with the mothers. Okay, so you have to give milk from one um, breast every time. So do not just pass to other one within a fraction of second, because first watery substance will come in your breast in the milk, and after that a good supple amount of milk will come from the breast. So if baby drinks from here for 2 minutes and then you change your breast the another one, so baby will not get a good amount of nutrition from that milk. So make sure that every time you are taking baby for a feed, your one breast should be empty. Or when if you are getting heavier or breast engorgement very often, you just remove it. Okay, you remove it. So you have to keep your breast lighter, and it should not be engorged because it can cause mastitis, and you may go through fever, pain in or any kind of such other things. Okay, so take a due care of your breast, and it is also given during your pregnancy care, that how you should take care of the breast, so that later on it will not create a problem. Another problem with the breast is that you may have cuts or a sore nipple when the baby starts feeding. Okay, so when baby starts sucking, your nipple is new to them, right? Your organ have never emitted the liquid. So when baby is sucking, so it may create cracks on your nipple and it may go sore, and it is very painful in that condition. So this again comes during your pregnancy period only. You have to take care of your breast, so that these soaring of the nipple and cracks on the nipple will not happen afterwards. Okay, so before pregnancy only you have to take care of your nipples and your breast, of course. And the eighth one, so eighth point is weight loss. Today all the women who are overweighted, who are carrying the tummy, when I ask them, everyone says that this weight is from my pregnancy. This is my pregnancy weight. After delivery it doesn't went, and I am like that only. So girls, the very important thing is that if you follow your pregnancy care properly, you will not gain too much of weight, and all the weight you have gained during your pregnancy will be shaded off within 8 months to 12 months. Okay, and for that there is nothing a great science, and you need not to do anything after delivery process. You just have to do smaller exercises and workouts. But the thing here I want to tell, that before delivery process only, during your pregnancy period, if you take proper care with regards to your workout, with regards to your diet and everything, you will gain 12 to 15 kgs more till your ninth month. And as delivery happens, within 2-3 months, that will be shaded 50%, and within 8 months, all the weight will be gone. There will be no weight gain by the mothers who had followed the system properly and had taken good care of themselves. Okay, prevention, what you should prevent after delivery, you should prevent all the household water work, household, the work which has to be worked in the water. So these things you have to avoid, so that you have to take care of yourself for say 2-3 months, 3-4 months. If you go and do your household work, it may cause joint pains, it may cause sandivat and arthritis after so 4-5 years. It may also cause swelling on your body and many more such and the last 10th point what I would like to suggest you is regarding food. So after delivery process, there is a specific food which will help you gain your confidence. So this is food which will help to produce good amount of milk, the food which is nutritional for you, whatever blood loss you have gone through, that will take care of that. The food that is very good with the calcium intact. Now the food should be very much with respect to say multi nutritional supplements and other things. The food should be warmer, that means your body should get a proper amount of heat from that kind of food. So Ayurveda always believe in heat. So cold food, the food which is producing coldness in your body, kapha in your body, and the food which is producing pitta or say ushnata in your body. So ushnata is very much required. So after delivery process, Sutika Paricharya always gives you a specific food which you have to eat, which will take care of your delivery process. So this food also should be with regards to how your digestion is there. So if you eat a good amount, I mean the large amount of food, you cannot digest your food because you are still have not healed your body, say. Okay, so you have to eat smaller amount of food in multiple say times. So in a day 5 times 6 times you can eat, but eat a smaller amount of food. Be very much sharp with your timings, also follow the timings. And eat in a small amount, so that if you are not able to digest a food, that can create gases and other problems to baby also, and baby will be cry. Then if baby have get any problems, baby will cry, and you will not understand why baby is crying. Okay, so take care of yourself, girls. This will of course help you after delivery process, what all things you have to take care of. So this video will help you with that. Any kind of queries you have, you can ask in the comment, or you can get connected to drlumbini.co.in. And if you like this kind of video, you can just appreciate me by liking the video and subscribing my channel. And I will see you in the next video. If anyone is there in your family, friends, who can get help from this video, you can please share this video to them, so that everyone can be healthier much more. Okay, so take care of yourself. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.